Okay, so this is how you take off the lock cylinder if you've lost your key for the Dodge Ramboxes. And this is the divider. So you got to go online, you got to order yourself the new key cylinder. Looks just like this. Okay, and you'll go down to your local dealer, and then they'll code it to your actual key. So that's all good. So then the way to get it out is you actually got to take this little Allen key out. This little thing here, it's a 3/32 Allen key. All right, then you take your key, stick it into the slot, and then take a little pry tool, stick it inside of here, and just kind of wiggle this back and forth until you see it pop up like so. And you just keep wiggling it. Just keep wiggling it, and it will, oops, you just got to wiggle it until it pops up. Like that, boom, just like so. And then you just take it and slide it right out. All right, so once you've got your cylinder out, then the only thing you have to do to replace it is this little tab. If you look right here, they look the same. Okay, you're going to push down on this little tab, just like so, and it's going to slide right out. So you just push it down, and then it slides out like so. And then you grab your new one and make sure that you keep the orientation the same. So you slide your new one in, and boom, like that. And it locks into place, like so. Then you're gonna take your tab, you're gonna line up the hole again, and lock it down into place. Take and put in your retainer. And once you've got the screw all the way screwed in, then all you do is you turn the piece, rotate your key, and voila, you've replaced your lock. Works great. Turn it again, and it's unlocked.